Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to lock your USB ports and to unlock them such that people cannot access your documents without your privacy. So this is how you do it. If for example I'm pouring here, I want you to know this, then whatever I'm putting my flash disk in my computer, it's going to read. For example, yeah, this is it. This is what is shown here. But we can lock this so that whoever is going to put the flash disk is not gonna read in my computer. That's how we do it. You come here, you will screenshot, you will use this command, so the Windows R, then you can type in the name reg edit. Then when you say okay, it's gonna give you permission. You say yes, you proceed, and then when you do, you just come here in the computer, you go to HKey local machine, then you can go to system, then you can go to control set. Using that procedure, you can go to services, and then you can look for something we call USB store. So what do? You go to the USB store, USB store, USB store. So I'm looking for that USB store. Yeah, USB store. You click there, you go to start, you change the value from 3 to something like 4. So when you say okay, and then you come here, you close your application, come and close your application. Let's see what's gonna happen if you come and close your application. Now if you take it in, if you refresh, you put it in the flash disk, so much show it. The flash disk, oh my god, it's so working crazy. So if we take it out, then take it in again, you can see there's nothing in this device. Is zero. It's not listing this driver that has been just been masked now. So what we do, we can just again unlock our USB ports by doing the same way we did it. You type in reg edit, yes. Then what do? You go to the HKey local machine, you go to system, you go to current control set, you go to services, then you go to the USB store. Look for something USB store. Now you can see that this is something which is great feature which our points here. Then you go to start, and then you can change the value from 4 to 3, which is the standard number. And then when you put it okay, then you close everything. So you can now see that if we take in, we're going to see that our flash disk has now been read. Oh my god, it's very working pretty good. So that's how is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and let's see another tutorial. If you have questions, you can ask. If you have comments, you can comment down. And thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.